Hey guys, and welcome to another Ready Yeti Spotlight. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Tosso. This is just one of the many wonderful things that Tosso makes. Tosso makes really well-made yard games and bar games, things like that, ranging from like your giant chess or cornhole, really anything that you'd see at a bar or a festival or something, a gathering, just any kind of thing like that. They actually were the inventors of ladder golf, something that you probably have heard of before. If you ever see one of those around, that's those guys. That's these guys, Tosso. I kind of feel like this stuff is even more important now more than ever with, COVID being a thing. It's a solid way to have a great time, kind of keep distance, and enjoy a social activity with people. You play a game, you don't have to be right on top of each other, and because it's so large and requires usually tossing something, it works. Today we're going to be checking out their hook and ring game that doubles as a bottle opener. Wow, I won. And I didn't even cheat. Ooh, I bet that noise is terrible with the mic. That sucks for you. Got it. Their hook and ring game is the perfect combination of utilitarian bottle cap collection and frustrating fun. Those are industry terms, by the way. Really, seriously. I've played this game maybe 1,000,000 times. I'm sure you have too. You see it around. And I think I might have won 10 of those times. Yet I still try. I will always try. This is my way. I somehow always come back for more. I'm not a sore loser, but I like to win. It's just really one of those perfect things that you walk up, you open a beer, and it's right there, so you just grab the ring, and then you see if you can get it. And you don't, and it's really easy to just grab it and try again, so you do. And after like the 37th time, you just realize that you completely lost track of any hold on reality you've had, and you are basically a slave to this ring game. Then there's always that one person who just walks up and then they get it in the first try, and you're like, okay, well they just got it, so like maybe they warmed it up. Let me try it again for another 20 times. And you just can't seem to get it. Or you might just be cursed. Anyway, this is a really gorgeous, well-made fixture for a bar. You're gonna need a bottle opener. It's always super handy, and you get a really entertaining game out of it. It's a really solid fixture for a bar, outdoor area, pool area, outdoor kitchenette, garage, any man cave, whatever, it works. It's made up of polished finished wood. You can see that this one has a kind of like a cool design. That's the magnet. That's right there. It can hold up to 24 bottle caps, which is a lot. That way you don't have to like pick them up. You don't have to pick up a bunch of scattered bottle caps because that can be a pain. It's really, really easy to mount and straightforward. The directions are simple. But more than that, it's just a super fun game to play. It's one of those things where you can be like hanging out and trying to get the thing on the hook, the ring on the hook. Just be chatting the night away. It sounds really nice. I want a beer. You can actually even get it personalized. If you want to get it as a gift, Tosso can engrave it for you. You can get a logo on it or just like a little nice message. If it's a gift, it could be nice. If you're looking for a bottle opener, or you're looking for just a fun game, or you just want to add something a little bit more to your home bar, your outdoor area, you should definitely check out Tosso. They have a ton of really fun games. Even if this isn't your thing, they have giant chess, which is definitely my thing. That's something I'm probably gonna get. I love giant chess. Check them out, grab some games, have some fun. That's it for our spotlight of Tosso. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, send me a check for $1,000. Just do whatever. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another Ready Yeti Spotlight coming at you next week.